Mom, I need to earn some extra allowance this month.
Why?
Joey's birthday is right around the corner, and I'd like to buy her a good present.
That's a good idea. Joey will be so happy.
Won't she? So can I do some extra house chores for some extra allowance?
Sounds good to me.
How about if I tidy up my room?
Nonsense. That's your responsibility. That does not count as extra house chores.
All right, Mom. Then can I run any errands for you?
No errands, but there are a few things you could do to help out.
Like what?
Water the plants, mow the lawn, and rake up the dry leaves.
Okay, I can do all of that super fast.
Oh no!
What happened? Did you get hurt?
No, one of the towels just fell into the toilet.
What? How did that happen?
Someone left the lid open, and when I went to grab a towel from the cabinet, it slipped from my hand.
Oh, gross.
Isn't it? Keeping the lid closed helps keep these things from happening. It's also more hygienic.
Right. I read on the internet that the little particles of bacteria can get into the air if you flush with the lid still open.
Exactly. Anyway, I'll fish this towel out and toss it. I should have closed the lid when I saw it was open.
Hey, we all make mistakes. Don't worry about it.
Right. Thanks. Hey, Dean, can you come here for a second? I need your help.
Something wrong?
I think the toilet's clogged.
Oh man. What did you do?
I didn't do anything. The water in the bowl was lower than normal, so I just flushed to see what would happen. Nothing went down. The bowl just filled up.
I guess someone used too much paper. Can you grab the plunger?
Where is it?
Check over in that corner.
Right. Here it is.
Watch. It's not hard to do at all.
Oh, I see. Next time I'll fix it myself. Thank you.
The mirror is so foggy. I can't see a thing.
Huh? Just wipe it with a towel. It's not a big deal.
Yes, it is. You need to turn on the fan before you hop in the shower.
Why? Is the mirror so important?
It isn't just the mirror. The fan keeps the moisture down in the bathroom. If the bathroom stays wet all the time, mold can grow.
Oh, mold is gross.
Right? So can you remember to turn on the fan next time?
I'll do my best.
Oh man, look at how wrinkled this shirt is. I was going to wear it to an important meeting today.
Uh-oh. I forgot that you asked me to iron it. Well, why don't you wear the pink one that you bought last weekend?
I took it to the dry cleaner since it had a stain on the front. I can pick it up tomorrow.
Okay, wait just a minute. This shirt actually doesn't look too bad. I think I can get it sorted in just a few minutes.
No, don't worry about it. I've got other things I can wear.
Something stinks. Oh, it smells like wet feet in here.
You might be smelling my tennis shoes. They got wet in the rain yesterday.
They're still not dry after a whole day?
I put a fan on and everything, but they were soaking wet. Also, it's been raining this whole last week. I think it'll be hard to get it totally dry when it's so damp out.
I hope you figure something out. If they don't dry out soon, they're gonna smell like a wet rag forever. How many times have I told you to sort your dirty clothes by color and separate the towels from all the other clothes?
Sorry, I just made a mistake, that's all.
Nope, your socks always end up in the towel hamper.
Maybe it fell in there when I threw it at the clothes hamper.
You take care of it. I don't want to dig through this hamper and sort it again.
Okay. Honey, I'm done sorting the hampers. What about this blanket, though? It doesn't fit in our washing machine.
Right. I think we'll have to go to the laundromat.
Is it close by?
Just a 5-minute walk.
If we're going anyway, let's take the rug as well. It has grape juice stains.
Oh, good idea. I would have totally forgotten if you hadn't said anything.